Hello and welcome to my lobby. In this video, I will show you how to properly install the Anydesk application to your tablet kiosk. This will allow us to better support you. First, you need to uninstall the old Anydesk application version if you have one installed in your device. Next step is to download and install the Anydesk application from Google Play Store. After you've successfully downloaded Anydesk, download and install the Anydesk control plugin. This will allow our support team member to control the tablet. To install the plugin, click on the link found in this video's description. Click on the Download APK button. Once the plugin has been successfully downloaded, click Open, and then click Install. After you've successfully installed the plugin, open the Anydesk application and agree on the Allow plugin usage. If you see a notification that says Battery Optimization, just go to Tablet's System Settings and search for Battery Optimization. Click on the Not Optimized drop-down and select All Apps. Then click on the Add Control application and select Don't Optimize and click Done. Search for the Anydesk application and select Don't Optimize and click Done. Now you can reopen the Anydesk application. Click on the Don't Show This Again checkbox and click OK. And now we will test the Anydesk application using your computer or any mobile device. Just copy the kiosk's Anydesk number and paste it in your computer's Anydesk application. Enter the password for the unattended access. Then wait for the image to load up. If it loads up your kiosk screen, then that means you have successfully configured Anydesk. Thank you for watching.